Good morning. Welcome to probably the last day in the life video in this house ever, which is so strange and even weird to say. We went to the closing yesterday for this house and the new house. So this house officially on paper is not our house anymore. The new house is our house officially. We are going to the new house this afternoon because a washer and dryer is being installed and delivered. It's like a rose gold color. It's really pretty. They're really pretty. I'll show them to you. I am pre-filming this video a couple days too, so there might be an empty house tour up by the time this video is up. I don't know if they're not working on the house this afternoon, then I'm gonna film an empty house tour. But if there's like a ton of people working, can't really do that. So they just have like small things to finish up, like paint touch-ups and the floor. I think the floor is still not switched out. That's been like an issue figuring out that because they want to start bringing stuff over there as soon as possible. So yeah, we're trying to figure out like all the last schedule things, but I'm gonna finish getting ready and Forrest will probably wake up soon. Look at that yawn. Hi, Bubba. You ready? Are you ready? Good morning. Can you stretch? Can you stretch in there? Oh, let me turn it off. Let me turn it off. My little And I'm going. Hi. You want to read your book? Want to read? So I just got a call from the delivery people for the washer and dryer, and they will be at the new house between 1 and 2:30. I thought it was like 4:30, so that's good. It's a lot earlier than I thought. So we're gonna take a nap, hopefully take a nap, right? And then we're gonna head over there, and I need to finally get dressed. Such a nice baby. You know you're such a nice baby. You know that? Just like that. Thank you. Thank you. And now that Forrest is down for his nap, I can tell you guys about something that I have been so excited to tell you about for weeks now. I cannot wait to post this video because I cannot wait to talk to you about this in the comments. So that is Lumi by Pampers. I've been partnering with Lumi by Pampers to try their new product. And you guys, this is a revolutionary baby monitor. It's an all-in-one connected care system. We've been using it for at least 3.5, 4 weeks by now, and I could not go without this at this point. So it comes with an HD video monitor, an activity sensor, 2 packs of diapers, all in a beautiful box. It matches Forrest's room, so I kind of want to like put it out on display. Even for like a baby shower gift, it would be perfect for that because you don't even have to wrap it. And all of this connects to the Lumi app. So essentially everything that you need instantly is at a glance on your phone. It shows you the last time your baby ate, their sleeping, and also their diaper changes. And all of these sections break down into details. So if you go to the sleep, this is like the #1 thing I'm obsessed with and helps me get through the day, is it shows the nap averages. And his nap average has gone down a lot the last couple days, but it's typically like 40 to 50 minutes. So every time I put him down, I look at the nap average and I'm like, okay, I can empty the dishwasher, I can vacuum, fold some laundry. It gives me like an idea of what I can expect to get done throughout that nap. It also shows you his sleeping at night, and he's a pretty good sleeper at night. So he goes to sleep around 10 or 11, and then he wakes up around 6. Sometimes there is a feed in the middle of the night, but for the most part, he will sleep through the night from like 10, 11 to 6 a.m. And I didn't even realize that was his schedule until we started to use the Lumi app, because I don't know, I just feel like when you have a baby, you're all over the place, especially mentally. You have so many things to think about. So seeing his routine and his schedule of sleep has been immensely helpful for us. And then the potty section, it's actually pretty important because every time you go to the doctor with the baby, they always ask you like the average wet and dirty diapers a day so they can make sure your baby's eating enough, they're on track, everything's like working how it's supposed to. And I'm sure a lot of you had this experience too, but when you have a baby, they give you a chart at the hospital. So you write in wet diapers, dirty diapers, what time. And I don't know if it was just because I was like exhausted, but I could not figure that chart out. I kept like writing it in the wrong boxes. So I started writing everything on a white piece of paper. I would bring that to the doctor. And if I had this Lumi app and this system when Forrest was born, I wouldn't have had to do any of that, and it would have been so much less stress. So I'm a first-time mom, as you guys know, and if Forrest is fussy, I literally open the app. I go, okay, it's been this long since a diaper change, this long since he ate, or oh, it says his diaper is wet. So that is like the checklist that I run through. There's also a today section, so that's all 3 of the diapers, the sleeping, and the eating right there. It's like a timeline of your day. And then the last one I didn't mention is the nursing or the feeding section. So if you're breastfeeding, if you're bottle feeding, formula, whatever you're doing, you can use that section of the app, and especially if you're breastfeeding, I am, so that's why I'm talking about that the most, but it keeps track of the last side you started on, so you do not have to keep track of that yourself. There's also an insight section for the Wonder Week, so it tells you like the leaps, what to expect, and I cannot recommend this enough, you guys. We use it all day, every day. If you have questions, I'm like a self-proclaimed expert at this point, so write them in the comments. I will get back to you. I feel like I know everything about it and how to use it and how it works. And I also will link to it if you want to like check it out for yourself or for your friend. So if you have used it, if you're going to try it out, let me know in the comments. Oh, hello. That was a good nap. How long was it? 10:34 to 11:25. So almost an hour, what, like 50 minutes? Good nap, mister. Are you hungry? Are you hungry? Oh, hi. That was so good. Good job. You want to eat? Oh, such a good guy. You're such a good guy. So we made it to the new house. The washer and dryer is being installed right now. Forrest is down here. He just had a diaper change.
Yeah.
So as soon as they're done, I'm going to film an empty house tour, and that will be up on my channel already, so I will make sure to link it down below if you want to check it out. We still don't have a move-in date. The floors, well, I'm going to talk about it in the empty house tour, but we are anxiously anticipating a move-in date. So right now we're just here to get a few things done.
Is this so much bigger? Oh, nice headbutt. Wow. Wow. Wanna go see your room in a minute? Stop headbutting me.
What do you think? Are you excited for your new room? You have so much room to play. What do you think? You love it? If you love it, wiggle. Oh, good. Oh, good. Okay, they're done, so I'm just gonna go look and see what it looks like in here. Oh, weird. So that's what Chad was talking about. The washer is pretty close to this door. It felt so big in here without these. Oh, hello.
I think we can move these over a little bit.
Like farther back?
Shift them to the right a little bit more. So that'll give us a couple more inches, but... Oh well.
I mean, it's going all the way back here, right?
Yeah, it's gonna get pushed back further.
Okay, so we should have what, at least 6 inches?
Yeah, it'll be better, but it is kind of close when the door's fully opened. But that's okay.
Okay, I just filmed my empty house tour and we are about to head out. We had to come back because my battery was dying and I really wanted to film that video. So now I'm back to this video. I'm confusing myself, I'm confusing you, but I'm trying to do so many different things today. So there's like a bunch of things on this memory card I need to figure out and sort out. But by the time the empty house tour is up, you guys have seen it. So I'll do a little sneak peek and spin around if you missed that video. Look at that guy. Forrest is taking his first real bath. He's never had a bath in a bathtub. You like it? He's never had a bath in a bathtub, always in the sink. And it's only like 4:30 right now, 5 o'clock, but he is spitting up all day and messy, so it was time. This won't surprise any of you, but the house is seriously a disaster. It is stressing me out. Yes, it is. From moving boxes, laundry. I have a lot of stuff I need to get done tonight. So much. So much. You like it. He loves the bath. So after this, we need to take the sheets off our bed because somebody spits up in it a lot. We need to fold laundry. We need to pack. The day has just started and it's 5 p.m. Okay?
Can't seem to get it out of my head. The way that I felt that night we met. You stole my heart at first attempt. You made me believe in love again. Open my eyes with the things you said.
wallet sleeper. I always get so many questions about this sleeper, and the brand is Falls Creek. I believe that's a Meyer brand, but he wears this all the time. I don't know if I really showed you that well. That's what it looks like. Oh, my clean baby. My baby's so clean. It's a few hours later now. We went to the grocery store, came home, had dinner, and I'm uploading the empty house tour right now. So again, I will link it below. And so many like short updates throughout the day in this day in the life, but I know you guys liked it in the last one, so hopefully you like it in this one. And right now Chad and Forrest are in the living room. Sorry, I have an itchy nose. They're in the living room playing. Chad was folding laundry. Don't know what got into him, but I approve. And he also took the sheets off our bed. I told him I wanted to wash the sheets tonight, and he took all of the bedding off and washed it. So I don't know what's happening right now, you guys, but I hope it lasts. So yeah, that stuff is being washed. I'm going to do a few more things on my computer, and then I need to clean because it's a disaster. I will show you probably in the next clip. Are you hanging out with me? Okay, I'm gonna need you to do some work. If you're gonna hang with us, oh, excuse you. Oh, bless you. You guys, oh my gosh, it is 11:30 at night. I just spent the last hour and a half getting Forrest down. He woke up probably like 5 times. I pulled him out of his bed probably 5 times, which is very weird because it is so rare that he doesn't go down easy at night. His naps are never like amazing, but at night he always goes down. So I don't know what's going on. He's not 4 months yet. I really hope that the 4-month sleep regression doesn't hit us. I know how common that is. And now I'm going to pick up the house for a few minutes. I'm really trying to get in the habit of always having the house clean before I go to bed, because I typically will do it in the morning, and then sometimes I don't have time, and then I don't do it at all that day, and then things get out of control and crazy. And there's already boxes everywhere, so I cannot wake up to a mess. So let's get to it.
What if the world had more of your smile? What if the wind could spread your love? What if your sweetness could reach everyone? There'd be no wars. Birds will sing about your heart. Maybe the trees will whisper the word. Maybe the sun will spread your joy to the ones who lost their hope. Fill my head with roses. I can't help but dream away. Standing on a field with you and flowers everywhere. Maybe there is a star with your name. One thing I know is that there should be. There is no one who has a heart as pure, no, not like yours.
Well, perfect time to end this video because the battery light is flashing at me right now. I know you guys like these regular day in the life videos, so I should keep doing them. If you enjoyed this one, hit the like button. Please subscribe if you're new. There's so many things linked down below for you as always, so check that out. And I'll see you right here in a few days in a brand new video. Bye!